In this painting I've titled Showtime. I set out to portray a large reclusive whitetail buck in a late season autumn setting who just committed to revealing himself and stepping outside from cover. In this moment the buck is committed, perhaps being lured out by a group of does or possibly another buck infringing on his territory. He's made his choice and possibly exposed himself to a hunter. Any way you slice it, it's showtime. Ordinarily, the late season in my neck of the woods is blanketed with snow, but in the fall of 2023, the snows held off into December, which created a really unique opportunity to see the late season through a fresh perspective. It was a perfect time to take in the warm tones of autumn and to gather inspiration for this piece. I composed this painting from a variety of reference sources, which included field study while out hunting, and photos from my own property and taxidermy mounts. By making use of strong sunlight in the piece, I was able to create a dynamic between light and shadow, which really highlighted the rustic color palette in all its vibrance. I'd also like to take this opportunity to share some exciting news. I'm developing an online course on painting a whitetail deer, and Showtime will be the feature piece in the lessons. So if you're interested in staying current on that, please sign up to my email list in the link below or subscribe to this channel.